Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to program Verizon Fios remote to TV. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is power on your TV. After that, open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. Then, search for the Verizon Fios remote code list and find the code for your TV brand. Then, on your remote, hold the setup button until the red LED light blinks twice. After that, enter the 3 or 4 digit code for your TV brand. Then, press the power button on the Fios remote. Over here, if your TV turns off, the code is correct. If it doesn't, repeat the steps using a different code. So that's basically how you can program Verizon Fios remote to TV, and that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.